Apple Hill, getting apples and apple donuts.
Apples.
Apple.
Wait, which one did you guys get? I think this is the original.
Cute. That's blue sprinkled on it. I got my mind.
It's freezing.
Cheers! Mmm. That's really good. I was expecting it to be dense.
Is yours guys warm, like fresh?
No.
Mm-mm.
Very cool.
But it's really soft.
Probably because the box has been open.
Like usually cake donuts are like crumbly.
Yeah. Like very dense.
Yeah, Mama. I need another coffee. This one's the maple.
And they're matching.
Just like, how would you find their Instagram?
How do you know?
What if they're breaking up?
What
if they're breaking up?
Okay.
Maple's the one.
Okay, tell me, is this the best one out of what you've had so
I think I
far?
liked it better than the original. But I like the maple better.
Yeah, maple is your favorite.
Donuts.
Okay, I do have to try it then.
I thought I saw a taco sign.
Yeah.
Taco? What? What'd you say?
Maybe I like walnut. Wait, I like the crunch on that. Actually pretty good. This is his commentary.
That's the one. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, fresh donuts.
This is super
That's better.
huge.
There's a lot of apples in there.
Yeah, there's like a ton of them. But that doesn't look super appetizing. Cheers.
Cheers with this, guys.
Very good. I feel like
I can't.
I like the crispiness on the outside,
Oh,
but it's
doing-
very oily. So I
doing
could probably
caricatures.
only like have a bite.
He's
But it's very good.
Oh, the hill.
That's what they're known for here. We always get them. So it takes me like days to eat them. I wish they made miniature apple fritters. Like what if I didn't want the big one?
Oh, that's very true.
Mini fritters.
The commitment. I can't commit to the big apple fritter. Drew Bean Farms to have some lunch and drinks. Let's go see what it's like inside. What is that? Cheers, Apple Hill. Wow. Oh my god, why is this like 10 pounds? Trying the soup. This looks great.
I got chili.
Ooh.
Right here.
Ooh, this is good. Soup.
It's better with sour cream.
There you go. There you go.
Good morning. It's Thanksgiving and we're at Run to Feed the Hungry. Everyone's getting their shirts on. Yeah.
It's exclusive
to this year only. It's 40 degrees actually. Hey, nice shirt.
Nice shirt.
Hey, you nice shirt.
Hey, you're copying me.
Hey,
Alrighty, this is it. This is the fit. I had pants on earlier, but it's way too warm for that. You're making special coffees?
Just coffee.
Just coffee. Who's ready to run?
Ma'am, are you planning on the 5K or 10K today?
Cheers. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Thanksgiving on 3. 1, 2, 3. Thanksgiving. Pouring the school when I was in high school. It's a long walk from the parking garage, but here we are. Ready to be hungry. Let's run, as in walk at a brisk pace. Okay, we're here at the Run to Feed the Hungry. It's Thanksgiving Day. We're by the porta potties. And we're gonna guess how long it's gonna take us to run. Walk to finish. Oh my god, I'll leave. What's your name? And tell us how long you think it'll take us to reach the finish line.
My name is Ryan, and we're gonna finish in 1 hour and 30 minutes.
My name is Min, and I think we'll finish at 1 hour and 13 minutes.
My name is Michael, and I think I'm going to finish in 1 hour and 43 minutes.
I'm Rondrig, and I think we're gonna take 1 hour and 34 minutes.
Turkey Dan, it's gonna be 1 hour and 23 minutes.
I'm Cassie, and I think we're gonna finish in 1 hour 45 because I'm definitely gonna stop at Temple. So, just taking it into account. All right, let's get going.
That's good.
All right, so we've made it to like half a mile, and then we're here at the bar. At the bar. Hibiki's here, so we have to be outside. But they're getting shots.
Happy Thanksgiving! First drink, here we go.
This is a mimosa.
A mimosa? Haven't finished.
Yeah, we did.
We are at
We have 20.
mile 3-ish, and we're gonna take some shots of. I think it looks like Kahlua, Irish cream. Irish cream. That sounds kind of all right. It sounds kind of good, actually. Cheers! Cheers!
I don't want that.
You can take the mimosa. Take the mimosa.
Wow! Holy, that's sweet.
They just opened it.
Mile 2.5. All right, we're eventually gonna finish the race. I think.
Coffee with that. Yeah.
Woo! Running. We're still running. Still running. Cheers.
Buffalo, man.
No! Buffalo. It's spicy. It's spicy. It's been a few hours. Here's the ending. Here we go. We're gonna finish the race finally after how many stops? Come on, Beaky. Yay! Finally, we finished. After how long? Size matters. All right, happy Friendsgiving, everybody.
Wagyu burger on a Hawaiian bun with shredded green onions that Cassie made, and a sriracha mayo with black pepper.
Yay!
We have on the first court we have Ray and Brian versus Ryan and Cassie. Friendsgiving on 3, Friendsgiving on me. 1, 2, 3. Friendsgiving!
Good morning, we're in Stockton today and we have our Friendsgiving Pickleball tournament. We're so excited to play. It's a beautiful day. We do have our courts reserved until 1, but for now we are playing at the outdoor courts and it's so nice here at In Shape. We're gonna have a good day. And I got new shoes.
everyone, it's Cassie. I just wanted to close the video and share how grateful I am for your support in watching my videos, and for my friends and family for not only watching but being a part of them as well. It has been such a journey for me to get this channel up and running and taking this very seriously. So here's to more content in the future, and just thank you so much for your continued support, and wishing all of you a happy holiday.